Everything's behind the scenes every time. Camera behind the camera. Now you need another camera behind Marty. Exactly. Doing the behind the scenes.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Alright guys, so welcome to the channel. As you guys, most of you guys know, we have a 720s. This is one of our cars that's owned by Jekyll and Hydes. But now, it's time. Time for what? It's time to wrap this bad boy. So, this is the pre, this is what it looks like right now. And guess what? It ain't gonna look like that by the end of the week. So I've given the boys a challenge again to wrap this car by the end of the week. I only decided this today, just at 6:45 p.m. on a Monday. So Marty hasn't told the boys yet that this car has to be done by when, Marty? By Friday.
By Friday.
By Friday. But the problem with this one is that we're not using any wrap like we normally do. This is gonna be something crazy, just like Mr. Hyde. So we are gonna be wrapping this. I'm not gonna tell you too much about the wrap, but the wrap is gonna be sick, I tell you. Look at it now, take a good look at our 720s, because once it's done, it's gonna look nothing like this. So if you guys are gonna go out this weekend to the car meet, look for us. Where's the car meet?
Cars and Tacos.
Cars and Taco. 570s is gonna be there, and we're hoping that the 720s is gonna be there too. Look out for us out there. We'll show you the car, how we wrapped it, what we did to it. It's coming to DFW, and I guarantee to you, you'll never have ever seen a wrap like this one's gonna be. Get ready, it's coming. Cars and Tacos, we'll be there. Marty, get it done.
We'll be there. Trust me, guys, we are gonna get it done. That's how we do it.